Welcome to the Crochet channel, the best place in the universe to learn crochet online. It's great you're here today because it's always a lovely day to crochet. If you like crochet or kittens, or you just want to help me out, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your crochet channel videos. Yay! First of all, we are going to learn the basics of crochet stitches. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot. You're done! And then crochet a chain. Next, let's move on to crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet single crochet. Next, crochet half double crochet. Next, crochet double crochet. And the last one, crochet treble crochet. These are the crochet stitches you need to know. If you are ready, let's get started on the exciting crochet project. Create a slip knot. And then crochet a foundation chain. 1, 2, 3. We need to crochet chain 13. Now I have the chain 13, and then I will crochet in the 4th chain from hook. First, second, third, and 4th. Yarn over and crochet double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. 1 double crochet. 2. Keep repeating this process until the end and you will have 10 double crochets. Now I have 10 double crochets, and then I will turn the work. This I call the row 1. Next will be the row 2. Turn the work and crochet chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then crochet double crochets. We will skip the first one and crochet in the next one. 2 loops. 1, 2, 3. This one I have 9 double crochets, and then next I will crochet to the chain. So you can see here 1, 2, and 3. Insert to the first chain. 1, and increase in the same stitch. 2. See, I crochet into the chain. Maybe next chain in the middle. 1, 2, and then the last one. 1, 2, and then we crochet double crochet until the end. This finish for the row 2, and then the row 3. Turn the work. Chain 1, 2, 3. For the row 3, we need 9 double crochets. Skip the first one and crochet in the next one. 1, 2. Keep continuing. I have 9 double crochets, and then we will crochet, double crochet, increase, and then 1 double crochet set. 1 and 2, increase, and then 1 double crochet. So this one we call one set. I will repeat this for 4 times. So 1 time, increase, and then 1 double crochet. 2 times. Next will be increase, 1, 2, and then 1 double crochet. 3 times. Next increase, 1 and 2, and then the last one, 1 double crochet. So 4 times. Next crochet 8 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2. Keep continuing. So this one I have 7 and the 8th one. First, second, and third in here. There you go. This created the row 3. The row 4, turn the work. Chain 1, 2, 3. For the row 4, we need to crochet 9 double crochets. Skip 1 and crochet in the second one. 1, 2, keep continuing. And this one we will crochet, increase, and then 2 double crochets. So next, increase, and then 1 double crochet, and 2. So this one we call one set. We need to repeat this for 4 times. First time, so next will be increase. Add 2 double crochets, 1, 2. So this one 2 times. The third times, increase, and then next 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and then next for the 4th time, increased, 1, 2, and next will be 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. This one finished for the 4 sets. Next, crochet 8 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Keep continuing. Now I have 8 double crochets. This finished for the row 4. The row 5, turn the work. For the row 5, chain 1, 2, 3. For the row 5, we need to crochet 10 double crochets. Skip 1 and crochet in the second one. 1 double crochet. Keep continuing. Now I have 10 double crochets, and then we will crochet increase. So this one we will increase 3 double crochets. So this one increase, and then crochet double crochets, 1, 2, 3. So this one time. So we repeat this for 4 times total. So 3 times more. So this one I have increase and 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then next crochet 7 double crochets, 1, 2. This finish the row 5 and the row 6. Turn the work, chain 1, 2, 3, For the row 6, we crochet 10 double crochets, skip 1 and crochet in the second one. 1, 2. Now I have 10 double crochets, and then we will crochet, increase and then 4 double crochets. So next, increase. 1, 2, and then 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We will keep repeating this process for 4 times total. Now I have increased and 4 double crochets for 4 times total, and then the rest we need to crochet 7 double crochets. 1. Now I have 7 double crochets, and then turn the work. For the row 7, chain 1, 2, 3. For the row 7, we need to crochet 11 double crochets. Skip 1 and crochet in the next one. 1. Now I have 11 double crochets, and then next we will increase and then crochet 5 double crochets. So increase 1 and 2. So this is increased, and then crochet 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we will repeating increase and 5 double crochets for 4 times total. Now I have finished with the repeating 4 times, and then I will crochet 6 double crochets for the rest. 1. Now I have 6 double crochets, finish the row 7, and then the row 8, turn the work, chain 1, 2, 3. For the row 8, we will crochet 11 double crochets, skip 1 and crochet in the second one. 1. Now I have 11 double crochets, and then I will crochet increase. 1, 2. For the row 8, we will crochet 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we increase and 6 double crochets. We repeat this 4 times total. Now I have finished with 4 times total. Next, I will crochet 6 double crochets. 1. Now I have 6 double crochets, and then the row 9, turn the work, chain 1, 2, 3, and then crochet 12 double crochets, skip and in the second one. 1. Now I have 12 double crochets, and then I will increase 1 double crochet increased. Next, I will crochet 7 double crochets. 1. Now I have 7 double crochets. So we will keep repeating this process. Increase and then 7 double crochets for 4 times total. 1 time and then 3 more times. Now I have finished for 4 times total, and then the rest I will crochet 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this finished for my size.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs it up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today and keep smiling until the next video.